guys, I am Katja with Creative Image Studio, live this time, so you can see me now. I am wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Enjoy your holidays with your family and your friends. And if you have some time, some spare time to check out a YouTube video, you may discover this one. So, Merry Christmas. And also, well, if you are checking this out, this video, because you want to see something creative, I have a Christmas card wallet for you all. I have shown you this actually by the end of September, but I didn't put it on my blog because my mother follows my blog and this one went to my mom. Hi Mom. So if you have missed it, this is a great Christmas card wallet, but you can also turn it into a birthday card wallet or a wedding card wallet or a new baby card wallet, because I filled it up with all kinds of nice tags and I actually filled it up with pictures on each tag. So look how great that looks, especially if it's someone dear to you, they will love it. So check it out guys, go back to my September video if you missed it. And for now, I have a lot of plans for 2019 on the creative aspect. And if you have some new ideas that you would like me to try or work out or just show you, put it in the comment section below and I will see if I can incorporate it into my lineup for 2019. So for now, enjoy the holidays and I will see you next year. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.